At Interpack 2026, a brand new packaging solution for the confectionery and snack industry. More compact, reducing footprint and reducing waste of energy consumption. These are the main characteristics of this line that GPI Group is showcasing here. But let's find out more with Maurizio Trento, CEO of the company. Great innovation at Interpack 2026 with the new solution from GPI Group. For what industrial target you are showcasing here this packaging machine?
First of all, good morning, everybody. This is a machine specifically designed for the confectionery market. It's a machine that it is able and capable to run 300 pieces a minute on the in-feed and 30 boxes a minute on the outfeed.
What are the main features of this solution?
The main feature is a reduced footprint, reduced energy consumption, and the electrical cabinet directly integrated on the machine. Just consider that that kind of machine it's a plug and play and can be installed in one day, up and running.
Maurizio, I've seen in your stand here a kind of refresh in your brand logo. What does it mean?
We renewed the logo because we have a new vision for the future, new technological vision, and a vision that is high-speed machines.
So let's come back to this Interpack. This is the first day. What are your expectations?
We are expecting a lot of customers. We already have the complete week booked and dinners with customers, so I believe it's going to be a success.
So let's see what Interpack 2026 will reserve to all of us.